What should be done if AutoCAD fails to open raster data with a geographic coordinate system? The LiDAR360 MLS software can solve this problem for you in just one step. After we install the LiDAR360 MLS plug-in for AutoCAD in the LiDAR360 MLS software, open the CAD plug-in, create a new project. On the LiDAR360 MLS page, select Raster from the Export drop-down menu, and then choose the raster file with geographic coordinates that you want to import. We verify whether the imported raster contains geographical coordinate system information by measuring distances. It can be seen that the measurement results in CAD are basically the same as those of measuring the point cloud and raster in the MLS software.